Today on In Your Face Anatomy, we are talking about the sacrum. That's right, I said it, the sacrum. All right, the sacrum. So the sacrum is the very bottom of our spine. This is also known as our tailbone down here, especially the coccyx at the base. So this is my sacrum, all of this, and then this is my coccyx. So we've drawn the yellow line here to distinguish this bone, but we've also drawn it to separate the sacrum from the coccyx, so you can get the idea. So the sacrum is typically 4 to 5 fused segments. So if we flip it over, you kind of see where these bones have fused together to form the sacrum, where my coccyx is typically 3 to 4 fused segments. So 4 to 5, 3 to 4 fused segments. Sacrum, coccyx. All right, now when we look at the actual features, first thing we've got is this median sacral crest. Well, that's pretty obvious and pretty easy, I think. It's this crest of bone that goes right down the middle of my sacrum. This is my median sacral crest. If you turn to the side, you can kind of get the idea of where this crest runs through all these little bony prominences, median sacral crest. Then I've got my anterior / posterior sacral foramina. So when we say foramina, that is just plural for foramen. So that means lots of holes. So all of these holes, just depending on which direction we're going, my anterior / posterior sacral foramina. So the thing to remember is that my sacrum is going to sit underneath L5. So if I've got my L5 vertebra here, and I join my facets together, because we still have facets here on each side, join them together to make the joint. Now, that means this is the front of my sacrum, where this is the back of my sacrum. So front, back. All right, and then I've got my sacral base. So that is going to be the flat part, where L5 comes in and actually sits on top of it. This is my sacral base. I can actually put my sacrum down and it'll stand up on the sacral base itself. And then lastly is the coccyx, which we've already talked about. Let's just know how many segments and just be able to identify it. And that's pretty much it for the sacrum. We call this the sacral apex, not something I'm going to really test you on, but just so you know where it starts to come to a point here, that's the sacral apex as well. Sacral base, sacral apex. The base is the top of the sacrum. The apex is the bottom of my sacrum as it sits like so. Good luck.